course. I will very briefly explain the Excel sheet that you sent me. I made some changes here. I added the incentive list, which I downloaded from the official gazette here, and then I did edit a new column whether the project value is about 10 million USD or below. So then I chose only the ones which are about 10 million USD. It's not too many. There are 24 entries. So I base mainly actually this sheet. Uh, this one, these are the support instruments. Each cell here includes the support instruments that the company is receiving. So if we come back to our template input, these green columns actually are different support instruments. I just changed. You also write the same thing, but I just changed the names. These are the names that the government is officially using. And also, I wrote here their explanations. Okay, so I used some formula here. For example, if the company is receiving a VAT exemption, then this cell looks to that cell, and if it's receiving that, then it puts 1. It's the same for these other columns. And for this column, I made calculation for the contribution of the VAT, contribution for the tax deduction, and etc. And in this intervention value, I added all these contributions here. Then in these rows, these highlighted rows, actually, the ones whose intervention value is about 60 million Turkish liras. So then actually I added another a column writing the sectors. I translated the ones that are highlighted. I also entered a subsector column. I also translated the ones which are highlighted. Then here I put the sentences that we can use in the description, which includes the capacity. Also, only the highlighted ones are in English. I didn't write anything in the affected product names. I think we will use this for the HS code, but not everything is goods. Some of them are services, and I think these 3 columns may be enough to find the HS code. But if you still want me, I can write something here as well. Yeah, I think that's it. Unfortunately, all of these are crashed, so we don't have a description now. So, thank you. Bye bye.